Good morning everyone. Welcome again. Class 9th Basics of Operating System Part 3. In continuation in previous video, today we'll learn two important topics. Number 1, that is types of operating system, and number 2, based on operating system on types of interfaces. Let's begin with the first topic, types of operating system. The different types of operating system available which record if and types of hardware to learn upon the operating system are mainly of the following types. Number 1, single user operating system. Number 2, multi-program or multi-user operating system. Number 3, time sharing operating system. Number 4, real-time operating system. Number 5, that is multi-processing operating system. And number 6, distributed operating system. So these way there are 6 types of operating system, and now we'll go through one by one. Let's start with single user operating system. A single user operating system is a type of system that has been developed and designed to use on a computer. And second, it can be used on a similar device and it only has one user at a time. It's the most common system used for home computers. It's also used in offices and other work environment. Okay. There are two types of this operating system, single task and multitask. Single user, single task operating system, and an operating system that allow a single user to perform only one task at a time is called a single user or single tasking operating system. Function like printing a document, downloading image, etc. can be performed only one at a time. Example include MS-DOS, Palm operating system, etc. Now, single user multitasking operating system. An operating system that allow a single user to perform more than one task at a time is called single user multitasking operating system. Example include Microsoft Windows and Apple Macintosh operating system भी होता है, etc. Now, multi-user multi-program operating system. A multi-user operating system is a computer operating system which allow multiple users to access the single system with one operating system on it. Multi-user का मीन्स पता है ना कि एक साथ हम कई काम कर सकें, और सिंगल यूज़र मतलब एक साथ एक बार में एक ही काम होगा, और मल्टी-यूज़र में एक साथ कई सारे काम हम कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. It is generally used on large mainframe computers. मल्टी-यूज़र और सिंगल यूज़र. मल्टी यूज़र मतलब एक कंप्यूटर में हम क्या कर सकते हैं, कई सारे यूज़र्स भी हो सकते हैं, ये भी हो सकता है. मल्टीपल वर्क, एक साथ कई वर्क भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो ध्यान रखिएगा, कोई डाउट मत रखिएगा इसमें. ठीक है. द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सच ए ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आर लाइनेक्स, यूनिक्स, विंडोज़ 2000, मैक ओएस एक्सेट्रा. U12 भी है. ठीक है. ओके. In the multi-user operating system, different users connect at different terminals and we can access these users through the networks. देखो आ गया ना कि मल्टी यूजर्स कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं मल्टी यूज़र में एक्सेस करने के लिए डिफरेंट नेटवर्क से. ओके. वी कैन सी दिस फिगर. इन दिस फिगर डिफरेंट यूजर्स वर्किंग एज ए डिफरेंट टर्मिनल and all are connected to one system, and that system कंट्रोल इज़ द मल्टी यूज़र एंड मल्टीपल प्रोग्राम्स. वन सिस्टम, एक ही सिस्टम से सारे कनेक्ट हैं, ध्यान दीजिएगा. ठीक है. और ये डिफरेंट टर्मिनल पे बैठ के अपना वर्क कर रहे हैं. ओके. एंड दैट सिस्टम इज़ द कंट्रोल विद अ मल्टी यूज़र और ए मल्टी प्रोग्रामिंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ नेक्स्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, टाइमिंग सिस्टम ऑपरेटिंग. In time sharing operating system, each task is given some time to execute so that all the tasks work smoothly. Okay. Each user gets time of CPU as they use single system. These systems are also known as multitasking system. मल्टीटास्किंग मतलब मल्टीपल टास्क. टास्क मतलब काम, मतलब कोई भी काम दे दिएगा, टास्क ये कंप्लीट करना है हमको, जानते हो ना, तो मल्टीटास्किंग होता है. दिस सिस्टम आर आल्सो नोन एज मल्टीटास्किंग सिस्टम. ओके, तो मल्टीपल टास्क को कंप्लीट कर सकता है. द टास्क कैन बी फ्रॉम सिंगल यूज़र or from different user also. The time that each task gets to execute is called quantum. After this time interval is over, operating system switches over to next task. We can see this figure 2, and in this figure there are different states of work, that is ready state, that is running state, and that is blocked stage. This new job is a task. The task first go through the ready state, and after the ready state it passes to the CPU to execute, and CPU start execution. During the execution, if task needs some input from the user, the CPU block that task and ask the user for the input. Until the user gives the input, this CPU switches over to the next task, and when the user gives the input, that the same task gets ready for execution and transfer to the CPU. This way the different tasks performed by the CPU in time sharing operating system. The example of time sharing operating system are Multics, Unix, etc. Now next is a real-time operating system. These types of operating system are real-time operating system. The times interval required to process and respond to input is very small. This time interval is called response time. Real-time systems are used when there are time requirements are very strict, like missile system, air traffic controller system, robots, etc. Examples of real-time operating system are scientific experiments, medical imaging systems, industrial control system, weapon systems, industrial control system, weapon systems, robots, एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल सिस्टम एक्सेट्रा. रोबोट्स के बाद एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल्स है सिस्टम एक्सेट्रा. ओके, वी कैन सी दिस फिगर shows that there is very less the response time in real time operating system. Now let's see the next topics of multiprocessing operating system, that is multiprocessing operating system. A multiprocessing operating system, OS, is one in which two or more central processing units, CPU जिसको बोलते हैं, control the functions of the computer. Each CPU contains a copy of operating system. कॉपी रखता है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम की, and these copies communicate with one another to coordinate operations. ठीक है. The use of multiprocessor allow the computer to perform calculation faster, जो calculation कर fast, since task can be divided up between processors. Multiprocessors are parallel systems are increasing in importance nowadays. These systems have multiple processing working in parallel that share the computer, clock, memory, bus, peripheral device, etc. Bus means that is the wire. We can see this figure. In this figure, this is the one system containing the multiprocessing operating system, and in this system there is 3 CPUs. CPU 1 is CPU 3 है ना, 1 2 3 CPUs है ना, तो दिख रहा है वही CPUs, 3 CPU की बात कर रहा है. एंड देयर इज ओनली वन मेमोरी दिख रहा होगा फिगर में, एक ही मेमोरी बनाई गई है, तो देयर इज़ अ वन मेमोरी एंड दिस मेमोरी इज बीइंग शेयर विद द डिफरेंट CPU. दिस इज द ब्लॉक डायग्राम टू अंडरस्टैंड मल्टी प्रोसेसिंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. सो नाउ के लिए अभी रहने देते हैं, ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्लास में देखते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक को. थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे.